Imagine a world where every girl believes she can change the world through science and technology. Despite their immense potential, many young girls feel discouraged from pursuing careers in STEM. This is especially true in Albania, where the number of women in STEM is significantly lower. A lack of support, visible role models, and access to education often deters them from these fields. This is what we as girls want to change, and to give all of the girls out there the chance to firstly have the support needed that we also missed when we chose electronics and IT as our studies, and why not to have the opportunity to learn from their home everything needed in the first steps of technology. Introducing our revolutionary AI platform GirlEmpower, designed to empower and inspire girls to pursue STEM careers. This platform combines personalized tutoring with motivational coaching, all delivered through engaging courses. Each course is led by an AI avatar mentor, making learning both interactive and fun. With cutting-edge AI technology, our platform offers personalized tutoring that adapts to each girl's learning pace and style. The AI avatar mentor breaks down complex concepts into easy-to-understand lessons, making STEM subjects accessible and enjoyable. The most important thing is that our GirlEmpower goes beyond academics. It includes motivational features like progress tracking, achievement badges, and virtual mentorship sessions with inspiring women in STEM. We also have built-in reminders to encourage regular login, ensuring consistent learning and motivation, which nowadays is unfortunately missing to most of the girls in our country. We are committed to reaching girls who cannot access formal education due to various reasons. Our platform offers certified courses that can open doors to new opportunities. With our certificates, these girls can prove their skills and knowledge, giving them a pathway to a brighter future. The impact is real. Girls using our platform report increased confidence, improved grades, and a renewed passion for STEM. They're not just learning, they're thriving and dreaming big. We have listened to girls that have a dream to work or study at one of the wide technology branch and subject, but miss their motivation since the stereotype boys are better at technology continues. They also miss classes, miss information, and now with our platform, we are trying to give them all the needed knowledge with no costs. Girls can do everything. Girls are powerful, and girls do help each other. That's our motto. For girls from girls. Together, we can inspire the next generation of innovators and leaders. GirlEmpower!
Woo!